Hi guys, welcome to the wireless trailer backup system. With this guy, you're gonna get two cameras. Now, I only have one for the trailer we have hooked up. You can see right here, that's my rear view mirror, rear view of what's behind the trailer. Now this guy right here is a second camera. So if you have a toy hauler, this would be perfect for putting a toy hauler in and then a backup. Or if we wanted to, we could hook this up on the side and have a side view. But I don't think it's going to be worth it to have a side view. What we're going to do here is we're probably not going to hook this camera up, but I wanted to show you that you do get a two camera setup. We only need the one, so I'm going to unplug this. And so for our view, if you're like us and you only need one view, then you just come over here and you can change the camera and just go to cam 2. This is our camera right here. And there is our backup camera right there, you can see. So this is gonna be awesome for when we're driving the trailer down the road from campground to campground and you wanna see the behind you. You wanna see the rear view, you wanna be able to back up. It's gonna help you back up. You wanna see the traffic behind you, it's gonna help the traffic behind you. And see who's tailgating you, right? So you do get a couple more accessories with this. You can mount it to the front, although my lighting is terrible, so I wanted to show you the accessories. I probably won't mount it just because the sun is blazing in. But what we do is, I'll show you everything that you get really quick. You get a bunch of these wires, depending on where you're mounting it and how long of a wire that you need to mount it. Yeah, I know. So you get these for the cameras right here, and then you get a sticky or a foam pad situation that's double stick. So if you wanted to put this guy right here, you can, and then have it live right there. For me, I'm probably gonna do that. And you can also have this mounting bracket if you didn't. Now we have the Furrion mounting brackets, so that's what we use, but you have this other bigger one as well, mounting bracket in here. So it's like a universal kit. They don't really know what you have. You know what you have, but if you need the Furrion kit, you have that. If you have the Furrion stock mount on your trailer, this will work in that right there. So if Lippert makes your trailer, you got that to work. All right, so this mounting kit comes just like so, and then we can, now the sun's kind of awesome, so we can put it and mount it right here, but I'm probably gonna raise it up and put it right there. Yeah, that looks good. Just like that, that's out of my view, out of my peripheral, and I kind of like it right there. So if you need a 1 or a 2 camera system, camera 1's gonna give you those reverse lines, so make sure you put camera 1, and make sure you just know that camera 1's gonna give you those reverse lines. Camera 2 is probably really good for a toy hauler situation. So if you need 1 camera or 2 cameras, I'm really pleased with the quality of the backup. I'm really pleased with the quality of the camera, both cameras for that matter. And yeah, if you guys are pulling trailers without a backup camera or without a camera to see what's behind you, it is night and day difference. I've been full-timing for the last 3 years, and I just hooked this up on my son's trailer. It's awesome. I would never pull a rig without one because it's just that much different. So if you don't have one, you're looking to get one, I highly recommend that you get this camera or any camera because it's gonna really level up the way that you travel and that you vacation for sure.